Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to permanently delete your TikTok account quickly and safely. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. Type tiktok.com in the search bar and open the official website. Step 3. Go to your profile page by clicking your profile icon. Step 4. Click on Settings to access account options. Step 5. Press on Delete Account to start the deletion process. Step 6. Enter your password for verification, then tap Done to confirm. And that's it. Your TikTok account is now scheduled for deletion. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to subscribe to Preyo Promo for more simple, clear, and professional tech tutorials. Stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Thank you.